Tonight I'm making one of those dinners that hits the spot every time. Oven baked chicken. It's crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. It's guaranteed to bring everyone to the table. Saute 1 medium onion in oil and add a pinch of salt, 3 cloves of garlic, rice to toast it up, adding a half a lemon and the thyme and some pepper. Bring this up to a boil and then cover it and bring it down to a simmer. We took the cover off and you still want a little moisture to the rice. It was cooking for how long? 15 minutes? 20 minutes. He checked the rice. It's tender but al dente. And he's adding in the Grana Padano cheese while there's still a little moisture to the rice. He's stirring and adding cheese.
It's good.
Good? It's good. The chef says it's good. I'll take his word for it. Chicken thighs here, bone in. I took the skin off and trimmed the fat as best as I could. I patted them dry because I don't want it to be wet. I'm going to put it in oil and I want my breadcrumb to be very crispy. It's a sauteing olive oil, a generous amount. I'm just going to coat it in the oil. I'm using adobo. For anyone that doesn't know what adobo is, it has everything in it. It has the garlic powder, the onion powder, the oregano, the salt. Not generously, very lightly putting the adobo on. Now I have seasoned breadcrumb and I'm just going to coat the chicken with the breadcrumb. Pat it down nice. Get it on there good. You can dip this in egg and then stick it in. But this is the way my mother always made it. Not with the adobo though. She would never use that. Just salt and pepper. But she always dipped it in the oil and then in the breadcrumb. I've made it both ways. Comes out good either way. So why not use the oil? You're going to be using it anyway. So I just pat it in there really well. Now you're setting your oven temperature on 425 degrees. So preheat your oven. A 425 degree oven on the middle rack for 45 minutes. Okay, so I think we can flip the chicken now. It's cooking really nicely. It's getting a good color. Oh, that looks good. The chicken's ready. I'm going to take it out of the oven. This is the chicken on both sides. Tonight's dinner is lazy risotto, broccoli, just steamed broccoli, and oven baked chicken thighs, bone in. I have to give a good review on the rice because it's absolutely delicious. I did put a little gravy on it, but I'll take a piece that doesn't have it. So this is the rice. And I'm going to take a fork. It's creamy from the cheese and leaving a little bit of the liquid in the rice. It has a nice taste of lemon, cheese. It's nutty, creamy. It's just very, very delicious. It has the texture of a risotto, but my son calls it a lazy risotto because you don't have to baby this as much. It cooks quick and you don't have to baby it as much. And it's absolutely delicious. I hope you give this recipe a try, my chicken, and I'll have both recipes listed with the video. Good night.